See, here's how you download the Chrome extension. It's pretty simple. You just go to Google Chrome Store. It's right here. When you click the Chrome Web Store, you'll go and search for Agile Auto. And it's right here. When you hit Agile Auto, you'll click this and it'll install it. Mine's already installed, and that's it. And then it'll show up right here with any other extensions that you have. I've got Zoom, Microsoft Keeper for my passwords. So it'll just be right here, and then you'll be able to use it. And of course, as a reminder, the way you use it is when you go on a website, let's go to Capital, like a run list or even on vAuto. Um, when you open up the website, now you're going to see the logo appear right away, but the first time in every session, when you click on it, it's going to tell you need to open the widget, right? Now, there's two ways to do it. You can double click on the bin and right click and hit look up, and then the window pops up. Once you do that, every other time, all you have to do is click the little icon, right? And you're done. The easier way to do that would be, again, if you click it, it's not going to work. You can just go up to your extension bar and then click open. And then it'll follow you on every site. I can keep continue and it doesn't leave me when I go to other websites.